The one mathematician whom most people remember from their early school days is Pythagoras, whose name is attached to a theorem. Those with a sharper memory may recall that this could be stated geometrically. The sum of the areas of the squares drawn on the legs of a right triangle is equal to the area of the square drawn on the hypotenuse. Let us visualize the famous Pythagoras theorem using GeoGebra. GeoGebra clearly shows that the combined area of the two smaller squares is exactly equal to the area of the square on the hypotenuse. In this demonstration, students can construct a right triangle, draw squares on each of its sides, and observe how the areas change dynamically. By dragging the vertices of the triangle, learners can manipulate the shape while still observing that the relationship between the sides always remains true. This interactive exploration helps students investigate, experiment, and verify the theorem on their own. Instead of just memorizing a formula, they develop a deep geometric understanding of why the relationship works. Using GeoGebra makes mathematics visual, engaging, and meaningful, allowing students to connect algebraic expressions with geometric ideas. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this explanation helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more mathematics visualizations using GeoGebra.